Hello, aspirants. Welcome to AQYS YouTube channel. This session is going to be a special session. We'll discuss about the history of Taliban. We know that Taliban has taken the full control of Afghanistan, and Afghanistan has fallen into total political chaos. So I'll give you the historical account of Taliban in this session. So it all started in 1978 when a left wing government seized the power in Afghanistan. So just remember, left wing government came into power in 1971. Now, this government launched a modernization program, and under this modernization program, secularization, equal rights of men and women, democratic rights, so these things were introduced. Now, some Muslim factions which were highly conservative, we know that in Afghanistan, Muslim authority has been very strong. So there were some Muslim factions, so they could not tolerate this modernization program. So civil war broke out in Afghanistan in 1986. So 1978 left-wing government, 1986 there was this civil war situation in Afghanistan. Now Russia took stock of this situation and they decided to support the left-wing government. So Russia started supplying aid in the form of money and weapons to left-wing government. Here the USA comes into picture. So USA treated it as a part of Cold War. They were thinking that Russia is trying to spread communism. So USA started supporting Muslim factions. Although these Muslim factions received support from China and Al Qaeda also. So at one side we had left-wing government and Russia, and on another side we had Muslim factions, USA, China, and Al Qaeda. So soon Russia realized that war could not be won in Afghanistan. So they decided to withdraw. So by 1989, Russia has withdrawn. So by 1989, Russia had withdrawn from Afghanistan. And Afghanistan fell into the hands of these Muslim factions. Now, these Muslim factions collectively they are known as Mujahideen. So these Muslim factions they formed a coalition government in Afghanistan. But there was this rivalry among these Muslim factions. And out of these Muslim factions, one Muslim faction emerged very, very strongly because this Muslim faction was relatively more strong than other Muslim factions. And this Muslim faction was relatively more conservative too. And this Muslim faction was Taliban. So just remember that out of these Muslim factions, which were Mujahideen, Taliban emerged. So these Taliban, it was formed by Pashtuns. Pashtuns, they belong to northwestern part of Afghanistan. Okay. So this is how the emergence of Taliban took place. So by 2000, this Muslim faction, which is known as Taliban, took full control of Afghanistan. So they introduced some conservative policies, and because of these policies, Taliban received international disapproval. So women were excluded from public life. They were not allowed to work as teachers, doctors. In fact, music was banned in Afghanistan. If you recall, in current affairs classes, we studied about Bamiyan Buddhas. So those Buddha statues were also damaged by Taliban. So Taliban has been receiving the international disapproval, and now again Taliban has taken the full control. So it's important to know the history, how the emergence of Taliban took place. So just remember 1978 left-wing government, then 1986 civil war situation, and then support of Russia to left-wing government. And remember, USA supported Taliban. Now Taliban like is being targeted by USA, but there was a time when Taliban was supported by the USA. So technically, the USA is responsible behind the emergence of Taliban. So this is something which is very, very interesting, and you can try to analyze this thing. So this is what I wanted to tell you as far as the formation of Taliban is concerned. And if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. And if you have any suggestions, you can mention in the comment section. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session soon. Thank you. Bye bye.